Guys, Assalamualaikum. It's me Joy Hakimi. So today's video, I gotta do the taste test review. Okay, so I ordered the drink from Tea Life. It's called Thai Bang milk tea something. So when it arrive at my house, I will nanti review dengan korang. Okay, so stay tuned. So plan sebenarnya hari ni actually I nak keluar dengan my sister, okay, to go somewhere else lah, jalan-jalan semua kan. Tapi he doesn't text me anything, so I macam okay lah, why not I buat video. So I rasa macam bosan and wanna post it on the YouTube. So stay tuned. I tengah tunggu my so lama. So macam why not kita buat taste test. Okay, so the drink has arrived I punya rumah, so kita nak ambil. So I dah dapat air. Hey guys, I'm back. So kita dapat di Live. I ada Bang Fresh Milk. Sebab dah lama sangat saya nak minum. Kita kena goncang dulu, guys. Dah. So kita akan try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Creamy. Nah, brown milk tea dia rasa macam, tak tahu nak describe macam mana, tapi dia macam teh tarik. Ya, sedap. Ada memang teh. The air macam, if you tak suka the brown sugar sangat, like one adalah okay. Yang ni dia guna pearl yang macam, it's not like macam very thick sangat. Dia punya ni lah. Guys, memang suka gila. Balance of the combination, I rasa dia sangat-sangat sedap. And dia tak adalah macam rasa turn off ni, tak. Dia sedap. Okay. But in the terms of macam I akan order lagi, maybe yes, maybe no. Okay. Sebab dia punya boba sangat sedap. Okay, and I really love this Tea Life. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, comment, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.